Happy New Year, it's 2026, and AI is already making massive waves. New laws are kicking in. Geoffrey Hinton is warning of a job crisis, and stock picks are dominating headlines. In this video, I'll break down the top 4 AI stories you need to know right now, what they mean for developers, investors, and the future. Let's dive in! So 2026 is shaping up to be the AI reckoning year, where hype finally meets reality. Sources like Forbes, Wedbush, NYT, and fresh California regulations are all buzzing about this. Here's the countdown, starting with number 4. Story number 4, top AI stocks for 2026. So Wall Street's biggest AI bull, Dan Ives from Wedbush, just named his top 5 stock picks for 2026. And surprisingly, Nvidia isn't number 1. His top pick is Microsoft, leading with its Azure cloud explosion. Then Palantir as the AI OS for business, Apple integrating AI deeper, Tesla pushing autonomous robotics, and CrowdStrike for cybersecurity AI. Why these? Analysts predict massive growth from enterprise adoption. Microsoft alone could see billions in AI revenue this year. If you're investing, these are the pure plays, beyond just the chip makers. But caution, overhype could hurt if growth slows down. And speaking of hype, story number 3. Is the AI stock bubble about to burst? The New York Times warns that the S&P 500's huge 2025 gains relied heavily on AI stocks. A reckoning could hit if earnings don't deliver. But investors are buying anyway. Nvidia and the Magnificent Seven still dominate. CNBC says the real bubble might shift to other sectors. UBS counters, no bubble yet. Earnings are actually growing. Bottom line, 2026 could see volatility if AI spend slows, but robust profits might keep the boom going. Keep an eye on OpenAI's cash burn as a key bubble indicator. Now the scary one, story number 2, Geoffrey Hinton's 2026. Job loss warning. The Godfather of AI predicts a new wave of job losses hitting this year. He says AI will replace many white-collar roles, from coding to analysis, faster than anyone expected. Recent data backs this up. Job openings dropped 30% since ChatGPT launched, with layoffs at Amazon and major banks. Investors are calling it a jobless boom, where productivity skyrockets but employment dips. So how do you prepare? Upskill in AI orchestration, ethics, or creative roles that AI still struggles with. Governments need to pass regulations fast, or inequality is going to spike. And that brings us to the top story, number 1. New California AI laws that went into effect today. As of January 1st, 2026, California is leading the US with major AI regulations. AB 2013, the Transparency Act, requires developers to disclose training data and offer deepfake detection tools. SB 243 sets safety rules for companion chatbots to prevent harm and manipulation. There are also bans on AI posing as professionals, like doctors or lawyers, without disclaimers. And law enforcement now has to disclose how they're using AI. Other states like Texas and Colorado are following suit. Federally, a new executive order hints at overriding these strict state rules to boost innovation. The impact: safer AI for users but more cost for builders. It could slow startups but fight misinformation. So 2026 starts with excitement and caution. Stocks booming or bubbling, jobs shifting, and regulations arriving. AI is transforming everything. Stay ahead by learning tools like PyTorch or building your own projects. Which of these stories worries or excites you the most? Drop a comment below. If this roundup helped, smash that like button. Subscribe for weekly AI news and breakdowns, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.